back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day. And if you're new here to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords as well as strategies to help you make passive income online. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Let's get started with the first keyword in today's video. And the first keyword is chess puzzles book kids, and it has a great keyword niche score of 59 and a total results of 1,299. We also have a keyword niche score by the second main Chrome extension that we're using, which is Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and it's giving us a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, Amazon Scout Pro has a keyword niche score between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest. So I'm pretty happy with number 6 here. And I also am happy with 59 given by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension. Now, all Chrome extensions are free. They can be accessed in the description box below. You can find a link to a video where I talked about how you can use the 4 free Chrome extensions correctly, how to download them, and everything that you need to know to get started finding your own profitable Amazon KDP keywords. So access that video after this one and you'll find all the information that you need. So we have a good keyword niche score by both of the Chrome extensions. Also a good total results. It's around that 1,000 range. Of course, the less the better, but it's around that 1,299 as a total results. And also the average bestseller rank is 400,704, which is ideal. And it's around that 400,000 range, which is good to see. The average reviews are 350 and the average price is $13.42. What you're doing here is you're creating a low to medium content book that's about chess puzzle book for kids. So of course the quantity does matter. Quality is always important. It's not to be discussed. Always aim for quality first as a first priority, then aim for quantity. The more you're able to deliver, the more puzzles your book contains, the better selling it would be, because it would add that perceived value. Also, ideally, you would include a solution section where it includes all the solutions to all the puzzles to be referred to later on. Now, if you are wanting to niche down even further, you can go ahead and niche down according to whether you want it to be for girls, for boys, whether you want it to be for children in a specific age range as well. Also, you can niche down depending on the difficulty of the chess puzzles, the level of difficulty. Do you want it to be for beginners? Do you want it to be easy, hard, or medium? So it's something that you can also think about. And then if you create, for example, a chess puzzles book for beginners easy level, then you can go ahead afterwards and create a second book which is connected to the first book, and then create a third book which would be difficulty as hard that way. So it's become easy, medium, and hard as a third book, and then they become part of a series, so they bring these ongoing sales as well, and you're going to get fans that way. And you can also connect with the customers by inserting maybe a QR code in the interior to a Facebook page, or to your own website, or to a part 2 series of the second book, for example. So much choices you have to niche down, or you can even create just a general one, a general chess puzzle book for kids, where it would be, let's say for example, it would be a total of 80 pages, 100 pages. A quarter of that would be easy level, a quarter of the book would be dedicated to chess puzzle games that are medium, and the other part would be for hard. And then you'd have also some chess puzzle hacks of how to kind of be good at sorting out and playing chess puzzles for kids, and make it interesting, make it fun, add in some fun facts here and there in between the puzzle book, as well as part of the interior, like when was the first chess game played, by who, a little bit of historical information. Make it fun. Don't make it like seem like you're trying to educate or you're trying to teach something. Put it in as part of the interior and just weave it in, and I'm very sure that the caregivers, the customers, the teachers also would very much appreciate it, and the children would not even think that they're going to the book is trying to teach them something. They want to have fun and they want to play. So let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. And just before we do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this keyword right here, go over to Creative Fabrica and have a look at the interior. So just by inserting the keyword chess puzzle book, we can see that we have a total of 8 results. This one contains, for example, a whooping 1,500 easy and medium chess puzzles in 2 moves, so something that you can incorporate. It is a little bit sophisticated. Maybe I would include this for children that are between the ages of 10 and upwards, maybe 11 or 12 and upwards. That way would be nice for them. The simpler the better. Also, you can specify the age groups because that would also really help as well. You can also create a super beginner friendly one, such as these ones right here. This is a chess maze. You can also weave these in, and also in the description box below you can find a 30-day free trial to an all-access Creative Fabrica account, which will allow you to download up to 10 interiors or graphics as part of your free trial, no catches included, and that way you'll be able to use a couple of your interiors for your specific book and also upload them to Canva or whatever program you're using and weave these in, change them around, make them unique, and then re-upload to Amazon KDP. It is all legal as long as you try to make them unique as much as possible. So that was the first keyword for the Day Chess Puzzles book, kids. Keyword niche score of 59. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. The second keyword for the day is sea turtle coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. Now, Sea Turtle coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8 has a keyword niche score of 29 by Self-Publishing Titans, but this keyword niche score does not really match the data provided by Self-Publishing Titans, which is right over here. This beautiful juicy data. First of all, the total results, the average bestseller rank, the reviews, and the price. Let's just break this down. So the total results are around that 1,000 mark, under 2,000, which is good to see. A little bit high, but it's good to see because it is quite competitive. You are creating a coloring book for kids, and this is a niche that is quite saturated. It's very fiercely competitive, so you do expect results to come up like that. And also we have the average bestseller rank of 749,591, and yes, that is high, but I'm going to show you some tactics that you can still be able to niche down and get your book ranking under this keyword as well and get your book selling. How? By niching down as much as possible, by also being unique, by combining 2 different niches into one as well would be ideal in this situation. Now, why am I providing you with a keyword that contains a high bestseller rank? Because we try to aim for diversity. We try to make our Amazon KDP portfolio as diverse as possible. If we just aim for super profitable niches, ideally, then we're going to miss out on the niches that are not, they don't seem as profitable, but there is potential in there. We want to be diverse. We never know when the book will sell, and this is also from my own personal experience. You want to be as diverse as possible. Get into seasonal niches, get into evergreen niches, and get into trendy niches. Get into niches and create books for keywords that don't seem to be as profitable in terms of a higher bestseller rank, because they will create for you consistent sales. And especially when you pay attention to the cover, the interior, try to make it as educational as possible. Now, Sea Turtle coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8, you can add that educational twist to it. You can weave in some fun facts on the side of each coloring page about sea turtles, about other sea animals, about the whole ocean life in general. For children, it would be minimalistic, it would be fun, it would be simple, and it would be targeted for those children that are aged between 4 years old to 8 years old as well. And I'm very sure that parents would really appreciate the teaching tactics that you introduce in your coloring book as well. Also, quantity does play a role. Have a look at the keyword, have a look at the books that are ranking. This one, for example, they're using the exact same keyword to get in their subtitle as well. See what is different about these books that are selling, and also add your own twist, improve on it as well. Add, maybe combine 2 niches at the same time together that are related. For example, Sea Turtle and Octopus coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. That also works wonders as well. Also, the quantity, the more you're able to introduce coloring sheets, the better it is. These parents, these caregivers, these grandparents, they want children 4 to 8 to be kept busy, kept entertained, and also away from the TV and away from all these devices. So the more coloring pages you're able to introduce, the better it is. Aim for 100, aim for 150, maybe even 200 as well. Set yourself out from the crowd and create the book and leave it. Create the book and don't sit there paying too much attention saying, why is it not selling? The Amazon algorithm will take around 2 to 3 months to get your book ranking, and you want to, when you're dealing with a keyword that has a high bestseller rank, or it has a high total results around that 3,000, 4,000 mark, you should just create a book or two and then move on to the next profitable niche. Don't just sit there and dwell and say, when is this book going to sell? Because it's in your portfolio right now. It's under your name. It will bring in consistent sales. If not now, then a month or 2 or 3 from now. But you're going to, as a publisher or sub-publisher, you're going to continue to create diverse passive income that way. So this is my own personal advice, and this is coming also from my own experience as well, especially when it came to I shared with you my experience with creating a sunflower notebook when I first got started on Amazon KDP back in 2020, late 2020, and it was a super saturated niche, and it is still saturated, the sunflower notebook niches, yet it didn't bring sale the first 8 months to a year, and then it started bringing consistent sales. I made no advertisement for it whatsoever. I even didn't use any free promotional methods, but I tried to make it as unique as possible, and I tried to introduce as much line sheets in there. The cover was nice, and I just left it, and it started bringing in sales after that year, which is good to see as well. And that also taught me that, don't be scared of niches or keywords that have a high bestseller rank or high data attached to them. If you are passionate, get started, create a book or two, and then move on. So we've shared with you the 2 keywords for today's video. First of all, starting with chess puzzle books for kids with a keyword niche score of 59, and also we have sea turtle coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. And just as a note there, that Amazon Scout Pro did give this a number 9, which is the highest of the keyword niche score, and it beautifully matches the total results, and it also matches as well with the average price and the reviews there as well. So take advantage of these 2 keywords, especially the first one with regard to the chess puzzle book for kids. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.